Hi everyone. I'd like to share my latest completed junk journal with you today. It is a 9 by 12 envelope folded in half. The closure is a ribbon. This is the kind of ribbon that has wire in it, which can easily be removed, but it kind of adds a nice stiffness to it and makes it look kind of pretty when it's closed. I've just got decor paper on the outside and some paper flowers with a little bit of bling in the center of those. Inside, we'll just take a quick walk through. I've got a combination of decor papers, dyed papers, a few tuck spots and stamping. I always like to have lots of writing space in my journals because I do use my own journals for daily writing. I used a variety of papers, some downloaded from the internet, some I had on hand. This is tracing paper. I've never used that before, but it seems to work well. Again, dyed paper. There's a little tuck spot here and here. This actually opens up to a full-size 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. And here's another just little journaling card. Some stenciling as well in this. This opens up again for more journaling. Of course, this belly band, and then this little ephemera is also has room for journaling. Another tuck spot there. This is a sweet little, I don't know what to call it. Anyway, I got this in a little swap, and this has got one of my favorite sayings in it. I'd like to include that in all my journals in the future. Be the change you want to see in the world. It's got a little tuck spot there, and you can journal on both sides of that, and also a little place in the back. There's a little tag. And on the other side, ephemera that can be used, and then a full-size piece of stationery that was designed by a friend of mine. It's beautiful. I love to use it in all my journals. This is download from the internet. There's a little bit of ephemera and another just journaling card. And another full-size stationery sheet. There's a little envelope with ephemera on the inside, also space for journaling. There's a little belly band with a couple of fun little bits of ephemera and more coffee dyed paper. There's a glassine bag that I added a bunch of stuff to, and more journaling space here. I love all the different techniques. I spend probably an inordinate amount of time on Junk Journal Junkies, and I just love so many of the beautiful designs and techniques that I see there. And when it comes to my own journals, I do write in them every day, so I like, although I want to try all these and continue to experiment, I like a lot of writing space, so those are the kinds of journals I usually make. Another tuck spot there and there. A little bit of lace here and there, and I forget what that's called. Eyelash trim. Here's something I added. I've got a little pocket at the very end, and I got this idea from Amity Bloom, and I really, really like it. I've added a card, a writing card. It's just a firm piece of packaging covered on both sides with decor paper, thin decor paper, and then I sewed on a little tab. And the nice thing about it is that you can use it behind, you can use it as a place marker where you are in the book if you journal regularly, and you can also use it as a place for just a firm writing surface. I got that idea from her, made one. I'm using one myself right now, and it really does help, especially since I sit in bed and journal in the mornings while I drink my coffee. So it's nice to have a firm writing surface on these more flexible journals if you're not sitting at a desk. So anyway, that is included in this, and I think I'm going to include them in all my journals from now on. So that is my latest journal. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.